Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the microbiology. Overview: microorganisms are everywhere associated with the other multicellular organisms. The normal flora, pathogens, is contained initiation of disease and spread. Pathogens also defined as the initiation of disease and also combined with the spread of the disease. Colonization, infection, and infectious disease. Most infectious disease is initiated by the colonization for the proliferating on the mucous membrane skin, major expressions directly to blood, internal organs. Microbial colonization may result the elimination infection, also containing the immunity disease. First is the prokaryotic pathogens, bacteria, prokaryotic organisms, bacteria and archaebacteria. Characteristics, their prokaryotic cells and the eukaryotic cells. What is the difference between? Characteristics are the chromosomes, prokaryotic cells, the usually single circular, and the eukaryotic is the multiple nucleus. Prokaryotic cells no nuclear envelope or nucleoli. Membrane bound nucleoli present. Membrane bound organelles, their characteristic, and also prokaryotic cells no present. And in present example include the mitochondria and the endoplasmic reticulum. Cell wall.